So whether you're an aspiring data analyst or a senior executive, the courses within this certificate are designed to provide you a full 360 view of data and how it leads to better decisions. Right? You're going to be able to understand how we create data, what's the sort of assumptions behind that data, what are the limitations of how that data was generated. Then we go the next step and visualize and describe that data and ultimately use that data to make predictions about future outcomes, reducing the uncertainty of those future outcomes. And then the last part of our certificate focuses on, given that understanding, how do we go about ultimately driving home value with better decisions, whether that's through something like Monte Carlo simulation or optimization, where we're looking at complex problems, right? So we're going to go this full circle from understanding our data, describing that data, making predictions, and then ultimately making better decisions given that understanding.